Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. Yesterday I got a newsletter from Toy Traders saying that they had the Amber collection, Ray Arnold and Ian Malcolm figures in stock, and I was looking for these guys. They weren't out anywhere else here in Canada, so I thought that was a good chance to pick them up finally. So I decided to go hit Toy Traders early in the morning and pick them up. But while I was at Toy Traders, I found the Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus Lego figure. Now, I've been looking for this one since I was a really young kid, and I've never been able to find it complete for a decent price, so I decided to finally jump on it, as 44 bucks or 45 bucks is not that bad. Trying to get this to focus. It won't focus while zooming out, but I stopped at Toys R Us and I found two of the new Savage Strike figures. The I don't know, looks kind of festive. It's like a Christmas raptor, and then the kind of Lost World-esque Tiger Stripe raptor. They had both variants, the one with the darker stripes and the one with the lighter stripes, so I picked both of them up. I was also able to grab some of these captives' eggs. I got 5 more. I will be opening them and using the doubles to trade with friends. And I also picked up some mini blind bag dinos, so we will be opening those up in a later video. I don't know why it won't focus. Very weird. Anyways, so this is kind of an update video on today's haul. Pretty decent amount of figures, some new guys, some old ones, and I can't wait to make some reviews on them, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye guys.